Yeah, no.
No, that's why I'm going to make say over 2 come up piece and lava. And that's how Baba saw your face. See how bad what I know our name as a sound.
Oh, no, sir.
It's a son of man. Oh, of our to get in my mind.
Franny, huh? It is Anna Minkono.
Oh, we are. Yeah. Yeah.
A friend says, Wafa, a friend, a Yakwana. Auntie, give me the copra. You baby, I could be my coin. Hey, a friend.
Just say hi.
Funny. I'm passing me to one casa of you. If you want to pass a walk, or the car or more bass or more better curfew is a wine to your cam, Emea. If you had that time, so you wine it to your Emea. Light bill by wine it to your mea, water bill mea, me boy. Why no could you jack a dear any pursuit table to mold Emea for ya? Me your bar cram. Me better fear. What was a mamma bahada? One who saw me papa bahada, and I'm a woman Nipa bahada, or be a man. Miss Rauman, then your first and last. So, who nam Nipa fear you, because me who nam Nipa fear you. Miss Haropa. So, Peso woman, you would do come out to Paconiama. Me see you cry, what's wrong more? When one of her year you ran at all. Only one better will be out. Me person me who when you fear you. And that's how the next time me who when you fear. That's how me want you.
I don't patch on my tiwa.
That's
We are sharing. But that's the beauty of life, you know, because when destiny passes through distraction, everything becomes chaotic and disorganized and disintegrate. Bema when his car, I said, Utia, he said, Udrait. I name the kind of head I'm having now, but I have a feel, say, things are changing. The next time this girl will tell me to go and cook, then the next trip, I'll be washing her panties and brazier.
Hey, Brahma bread.
My bread, dear. A crabber.
Ya made you.
A dear friend.
And now some mamma call whom a franny fear. As one.
I don't.
When you saw Frana, what in the bar has said, no, Auntie was here and family concerned. A Frana, me this wa warren.
A fire chillaco.
If it's what I did not be training fee.
I want to feel.
Now, Monsieur Frana, Nisso and so dear. Nisso and so dear. She sent me near Franetio. No, the car. I be refio. What is if you care more? One is what you are fire so. And Chiakura, no.
Oh, no, Baba, say, oh, Chikai.
Nanny crew friend, when fear see Nipa. And what you fire so our decroy.
Mr. Dammy, who had him secretary and an inch idea. Oh, where dear?
Oh, crew friend, one fino. Ya, one so sorry, John Walker. Semi me qua, mean to get in. Auntie, a friend main corner was in Sunny Osibano, Sana Chrono. Eh! Into a friend, dear, say 1 tea. No, sin a Juma say, into him so bano, or deny aqua.
A friend, you must say, you know, to croquet more.
And no bano nation, and our deny aqua.
I do for no.
Or deny aqua. Into say, dear friend, dear, 1 tea.
She, Brassay, a friend on an amahono. And for not drinking cardi and what? Jan Wadrin. Me, I'm a chairman of war no crown. What me in said, you are catch them say. Let you buy me the couldn't make a tron no yen sure but. Some I got 2 minute quanchenia when the demon been in that. Sabbath what miracle swan and I'm on a similar could not to one. Bra me catch her outside quite me bano or some bomame. Make time a boy send me a massa. Quapem send me ancassa. Say Nyame be frame you. Say me ban the bedi can you. Make also my dome banner. I meant to mention that. Scientists are franese. When the man be near. And Yamma, one train crocus him. Now one in a year bruni. And then a mark walk around when I'm in Pebby Macquamunu. Let me name the obey me bano. I'm in Pebba walk around Macquam.
Would you, Jan? Nasa that she be nasa. A Franian Bibia. Won't see her say, or Baba, you complain actually. Nanka and Coca American could be between them with the apple.
I'm coming to say, I
said, thank you, I bless our glory. I bless and glorify your name. I worship and adore you in the mighty name of Jesus. Mama, your mom pie, and string a missing. One boy, a bush him. You my puppy will be at Tenaso, and you my puppy will be there for baby. So, but ye party won't tear. Now you're breaking the name of Jesus. And someone passing that coupon, but the enemy can. No one break it to me, Pira. Oh, you bush him. Watch ye and Monia. Watch ye, Sika. Watch ye and Yuma. Yamon Pie, Colo. Oh, Jesus. In the name of Jesus.
Baby Pierre Kuti, we did yes to watch us. We did Jesus little Marty. We did yes to little Mawati. We did to my new young. We did to my horse. We did to me. Oh, my money, I'm going. Oh, that's so rich. I will bear to be there. With yes to watch a chap. Oh, yes,
Oh, Jesus. Jesus, Lord. Sister Joby. Namina me kasa mra ye bompaye Nyame twemi wura honhom wiase na so Nyankopɔ kasa twemene wo semre da twemu ko ba bi koto ade oh tunko da ba shinda da ba ho da ba be de do ade la koto ye no to wie ne sisi kai ne sisa ye de ma wo no tieni en sisa na ye de ba wo no wo tam sisa de che obi e ya branch bi na me ni hobi but Nyame na kasa kyerɛ me Saudi sisan ma Nipa kro no Nyame bie nani no hu sɛ Nipa dis kana ma no ɔna ɔyɛ wukunu daakye ɔna ebe a obetuma bo daakye wadɔw na wakyerɛ dɔ de akyerɛ ti sɛ aha na wo na wo bompa yɛ so kunu na opɛ sɛ opɛ be ma na tena kona ko pene kyerɛ kwan. That's what the Lord is telling me today. The Lord is saying, and whenever he speaks what's the kona ko pene kyerɛ kwan because and I will come over. Oh, Jesus,
me buy anybody. Let me say, Nyame fa wo so yi chiri bi edede chire me. Na asasem na o kan no. Because fi my junior ho for some time. Me kaka my junior mu. Min kai opia my ne papa. obetimi abeye meko lesa min kai pon makase me ko hwehwe Nipa kro mse bebe bo ma na se bia betimi abohon pa ya manyame ejine di ya chiwa isanse adwene ho a me kai ni se mema mdi misika aboa o maye o papa yo ma ya ware ankosi baby ya mo sai ko na minim se no mu bi na Nyame sama na sa ba me life mo a chi ho am tiase
mo se sa mema ne di Nyame o mo free wa kwem
na fe de wai
but kai se wo chubi sika kakani pa Mr. When was the last time I called village?
The village? I was saying in less than 2 weeks.
Very good. Ukohoso. Why should I be here?
Oh. So for Saturday, no crano. Me need say be a revelation, no na oka because me kaisa me tall body. Na na woman be. Enti metori na 10 cedis na man 50 Ghana na onyansesa ti na ibayarefo bi o ten nchen na me se on fansesa na to aduane man.
God, praise the Lord. Say Nipa na Nyame e kanasa. Uche ma me Nipa sika insisa, right?
No. So no, it's not possible. Say like Opache say Nipa na Nyame yi acho so be mi kun ye ma me ne ba yare fo no na Nyame yi mi se mi kun.
Yes.
No. No, so no.
Are you trying to challenge God?
No, I'm not challenging God, but my God will not give me that husband. No. So for Nipa me kana se mi hu no ye yare fo me just say so no. My God will not betray me. No. Yare fo asofo kasakra me nyini sakra no ke me disika ne chair no me da sekra ne ma me na kama no. How can God give me such a husband? I mean how? No, my God can never be unfair. Me ajubi say nyame so you kama me yare fo how?
Sister Juba, are you trying to challenge the will of God?
So no, this one I will challenge God.
You can't challenge the will of God. When God speaks, He speaks. When Nim dear wash shamam. And don't forget, the Nipa Nyame you na ma ye Nipa bia wonim se obedo no what wasama se. Won kwende nyinem. So you can't tell me God didn't dictate for you. Neither God is saying those things. Should be ye.
I am sure say revelation a baby but not this one. Send your masumi nyame yi makumem. Nyame ni me nwamonfa obi ya won jare. Say you be me nware no. Ah no, my God loves me so much to disappoint me that way.
Sister Jibi, then you do have to tell God He has given you the wrong choice. He knows what is best for you. He knows your future. He knows what is ahead of you. And nothing will prepare you, Sama. You are thinking he's a secular. Who say what you bafine? Who say you are for? Who say one same fata? But don't challenge God, because we need the ever caution the next future.
No, so we need to meet and pray again. Bible na cross can send papa ma wo kra. Ti Nyame be sha yare for say ajubi me nware no. God will not do that.
When you say o hwe ni so. Iniso na wo re. But who mo no? Ko Nyame nim de wo hwehwe.
It wasn't me. Nnye, Jesus of I don't know, you need to reveal again. Revelation is saying Nyame de ma wo.
Sister Joby, then I'm telling you today that when God speaks, He speaks.
No. Erade ma ba wani. Erade wan kasa woni me bisadi ene ma disra me de ba wani. Erade sa revelation e ba ye. Ene be ma erade we ye ma me se me nware ni. Erade aye ma de so akese. Erade sa bre su me sa de su e. Ewo mo so Kristo ni na mane etu no na so erade sa mane e dia so. Erade me na me se me pekunu.
Now so say couldn't wait, dear papa. And it parry me. Ready minim say. What's some you no cry? Now what's some? A tsunami nanti, a tsunami tipo me. Ready me send me send it. Ready me bomb pie catcher with some mammy bema or ye boafo. Ready some bem me or bed then one poor me mama ye juba. No bed then one poor me mama swear I do ye. Ready one shebe man no ye yare for only a numpona wakasa. No yen sano dear dear day. Ready whom no boss any what do yet see. Ready Jimmy who can him, mammy, ready myself crew way, pammy who cop. No one say fewer rather sure at the Mount Saint and in Neddy, nay, Sam and Fimpa, dear mammy. Ready, yes, sir, so mamma so winning a ratty pay a quack. A son said, Nipa best me back changing me. Some one shower banner or sorry, I was someone of Perian you mreno. One shall get rattled the abdomen. Ready minim se wo mama ni mu wase na wo mama ade be mama o how ene amane mum se ready se ye wo ba ready mama ni mum se nya wo pa ready se de wo ye mama bibia mum senche ni ndi
aye wo binya go gwaridi e egonu ma sabu ansio Nelson Kayanya to dry, Nyarko want more. Amane wuntia, Nama dear Kwame, Nanka Dokro Kantema.
Oh, no, come on into mention.
Mitch, will you just a minute? Why? You are looking good.
Thank you.
Come on, I'm here. Sir, who done it?
Me who done it? I done it, sir.
Nnye say no.
Brother, what's saying? Come on. And you think what you imagine a hand of pay? Oba time na me catch you. And this family we oba nye mo 4 months. And I come from Pierre.
So that we want Nnye say Jan ni waste him.
Oh, okay. And you ma Claire.
Claire, sir.
My yegu.
Can you do that? I need a child. Can you move the crown and own soon? They say, what's the baby soon? I crap. And I cry, please. Me, yabba. See that I'm growing. No matter what I'm mammy.
Oh, Peba, I'm a penana. Oh, Peba, me penana.
I know Castle Mamma said, so I said, 1 year was in my yegu. Just like that, he went out there, open your 2 left for somebody to, interfere.
The same thing, me call what may be a minimum. And I'm a could be a minimum. The same thing, there is nothing new.
You're talking about abortion.
Oh, Parkula, soon they are teacher. I don't put children, so we probably broke.
Give me break. Stop it. Me moja. Why?
9 months are going to any easy. Minimum 9 months. Me wana me metina fia na ye na didi why da just wana posinu me kwa kwa ni me ho ade nyim sese
abo ndi nyame na pra no ho
nyame na pra no ho
nyame na hwe nipa
man anto man na chaito esizi ye way back man na sizi
ka ni so kina mi se woni muso makwa aboto me bawo
nyame de nana usuban na wo bra boni a wabwa ye yiwadi a wontime nka de nti ye yiwadi nkyere me ebe sisi sa woteme kon so ama me bre.
Oh, qualification, it's a matter of time.
Akuya,
who don't know what I'm doing. See, a page it's not a matter of just going out. Even phone call can do a lot.
Okay.
What I say?
Me do me secret in address how can you see mama on phone and fakana. I mean 5,000 to my account mukrada. Of course say easy to get that money. Of course say easy. Yeah, I can't say oh better to papa so be cancel for them ya no pay. Of course I order form. And your mama be to say wona wo heba. Ya wa memma to try a woshema enya bi te se wo utiri nka wo nan ka
that bia mi wu akwaba se oba sika de akama mesia fem sa oba sika akuya udi ade aye no ze e ka da manim abusia bo But me who was coming more be there. And the Ujini free. Until you always take, then I give. Nyarko, one casano, power.
Me know about me power.
Look at you.
Me know about me power.
Yes.
Me penana. Empower me penana.
Look at you.
I made me what? Can you me know about me power? Oh, catch me say me know about me power. My power soon. Who be that? And I will never see that. Pass off for 4 class here for it. I saw for mammy and I saw for my show soon. Then I will see it. Oh, the catcher me say me know about me power. I made me here and and you say, my walk here, and can you say, I wait till I distract me. Me quite when I feel back on Nana or be up a crown who have a sinaka. I will never be against the mammy.
My day.
Whom ye and no bad yet, you won't bet Janice. Adasa!
Mammy, I come for back could be able to because was it? We
oh, yes, for mammy and Uncle when you come for back. What say me, Daniel?
Never say we did.
Send me there.
Not a good one. Never say we did. What is a bar? I'm still the man in the house.
And I know why would they call catch me so, mammy, or I buy 4. And the other castle come for back. Just a bay and whom they were busy.
Or bar, Tidin or bar. Didn't cry or bar. Obeying is a woman. Who means extension.
Body, yeah, I am you. Send a private body in a mini back or crowd out.
My nyashin, Nyame adoma.
No procran, may you matu.
Uko jasoba na mabitubi.
Rubber phone and alpha body and I'm remu. Oh, yeah, she, Madame Fubi. On a minute in the cool jot, yeah. On the body be near my bandra. Intimacy will be hammer to be a better way. On a crown to put the autonomy.
Mine, yeah,
I generally be.
And Kian Conin and I am.
Oh, the hour I'm got on obey in the year, come on. On what on I didn't put a minute. See, into body, no
body 10 cedis, and I generally also 20, now 10.
But the way I met to my brother, and a camera, mammy. Go be in the year, my bus is here. Miracle. A tidy abreno. Transfer man come back to Yahweh, and mamma, what to the boom no, the boom no. Transfer man come back to. Any match.
Oba Johnson. Oh, mammy, by me mouse car. Hey, oh, and Susan attends to this, me the bema. Oba Johnson. Sofu makofio asheda atumebu akosha bemwa Sofu abemwa na osinyame eya chose oyemiko onkasa Ujani na igune ho untumi nanti papa ujosogune ho ediani kraji o mame ena mane ediani edi o mami pio kraji so di abemo ni jombi so funti aware we na Nyame de amame no ka chemi nyanko ponse e ba den ke be ya kama sa krowe inside sinfadi we de to musu so for sure me so we no me ni bone ni bia bit me afadra no so for yensani pem Sister
Juby, I share your sentiment. I share your sorrows. I share your pains. Because I know how you feel. But when God speaks, He speaks. Nyame kasa, na wakasa. Nyame aso wakasa was 18 in me. My year dreaming for good 25 years. Prophecy say be by my queen. To me, be some young couple say, why you? Why you? Ubia Oyatoye. Ubia wana woni bi wo boa wo. Fiatoya odi ya sorry. Di Nipa no se wo ye bia wo ye. Ti me Nyankopɔ wo chenade a bibi sei. Bia won kasa. Me be worry abemu we di ne Nipa beka. Onipa on kasa. Me worry no na me ne wo dem a ye di nkomo sen. Obi ho ho anu we jane na ye gunu mu. Ajo se gunu mu. So for Mr. Why? So for myself crying for me. So for anyone young born in Cassana, sad so it is me. So for me to me what Sister Juby. Randy Bonnie Bay. And dear Bonnie, my aunt here, I do tell me who can say, seven go, you'll be a Cassa. And I'm Bonnie Bina, me, Mariana, and Papa, and never know who do me. So for you never have brands in American as so to do this and no poor room is an assemble to the Cassa. Juby. So Cassa will shake in Nipa Beka. You end up going astray. Oh, Cassa will shake in Nipa Betrinia. No, you mistake. Because God works in his mysterious ways. And the entire Nipa won't be pity when he sick, I want in Numa. Now, be an idea. Wait. But me who say Sanko for be seen in Nyame pewo. Sanko for be seen obeti was my sister Juby. Sanko for be seen be cheer dodi amount. Because one hour power kwemo no it true for amofafo. But mo do ne kwesi say e wiase nyama no mo be pekoye. Se nyame si wo so ya hwa. For 1 good year. Yen fano. Yen nentina. Yen sure so say the Nyame asem etwe e wa wodi. E me catch on say. Ka wa koma to yen. Se Nyame na yasom no no aye na pede dia ma no. Anapa ewia nya na dwompo. Wo kasa ye tie na sem. Nasi was so or cheya dear, baby say ya. Sister Juby, yes, you and son. So, today, can you say me bueno? Ah, Bianca, Sister Juby, I'm telling you the truth. Say, young Koso, the young son of Mary. Dear Granny Babeka, and dear come on, I'm in the
Pesen kamote ase mami. Na mefa eyemuba. Ewo bi fie se okunu ene oyere.
Sanya se wo maame na me de bani mato no adwubi. Na wo de wachi na beko.
Asamo ababa wodi na me. Senya asembo ne.
Asante wuti we. Wo dwen sa ababa wo so me ye wati we. Wati wo wonte ne nka wo ho. Para keto wati we ni sika wo semu je nne. So for na die nko. Me kwa me ye die ba. Aware emu nsem be sei. Awo emu nsem nie. So for my bread.
You are rejecting me. You go out there and sell yourself. You are me and you are poor.
And who come na me dwen am de me ho ba for the amount.
You don't know what you are doing. They are all here no. They know me in a brabo because you go out there and you flirt around her. I'm into me naso. DNC. Where are you coming from?
Oh, to me ben now wow be question me. Ah me akola. Say me pia out here twen.
How dare you? to me like that? Come here.
Me pese be man be pija ni mu. Na wa fe ne yura no.